Hey there and welcome back to the channel. I am Top 5 Trey. Are you looking for a way to cook healthier meals without sacrificing taste? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some of the best air fryers on the market, including the Ninja AF101, COSORI 9-in-1, Instant Vortex Plus, Ninja DZ071 Foodi, and the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. Each appliance brings something special to your kitchen, making it easier to whip up crispy and delicious dishes. Are you curious about which one might be the perfect fit for you? Stick around as we explore their features, prices, and what makes each air fryer stand out. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe with the bell for more exciting top 5 videos. At number 1, we have the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. The Ninja AF101 Air Fryer is a popular kitchen gadget that makes cooking healthier and easier. With its sleek design and user-friendly features, it's a great choice for anyone looking to enjoy crispy, delicious meals without the extra oil. This air fryer uses hot air circulation to cook food evenly, giving you that perfect crunch. You can fry, bake, roast, and even reheat your meals with just one appliance. It's especially good for making French fries, chicken wings, and vegetables. The results are tasty and much lower in calories than traditional frying methods. One of the best things about the Ninja AF101 is its 4-quart capacity, which is enough to serve a small family. You can fit a whole chicken or a big batch of fries, making it perfect for meal prepping or family dinners. It also has easy-to-use controls, so you can adjust the temperature and time with just a few buttons. Cleaning up is simple too. The basket and crisper plate are both dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Plus, the compact size means it won't take up too much space on your countertop. As for the price, the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer typically retails around $129.99, though prices may vary depending on sales or promotions. Given its features and the healthier cooking options it offers, many find it worth the investment. In summary, the Ninja AF101 Air Fryer is an excellent addition to any kitchen. It's versatile, easy to clean, and perfect for cooking up your favorite meals with less guilt. If you're looking for a way to enjoy fried food without the extra calories, this air fryer is a fantastic choice. Love this air fryer? You can grab it from the link provided in the description below. Now number 2, COSORI Air Fryer. 9-in-1. The COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1 is a fantastic kitchen appliance that helps you cook a wide variety of meals with ease. With its modern design and multiple functions, it's perfect for anyone looking to prepare healthy and delicious food quickly. This air fryer can do it all: air fry, roast, bake, grill, and even dehydrate. It features 11 preset cooking options, making it easy to choose the right settings for your favorite dishes. Whether you want crispy French fries, juicy chicken, or roasted vegetables, the COSORI Air Fryer has you covered. One of the standout features is its large capacity. With a 5.8-quart basket, you can cook enough food for a small family in one go. This means less time spent cooking and more time enjoying meals together. The air fryer heats up quickly, allowing you to start cooking right away, and it uses hot air circulation to ensure your food comes out crispy and evenly cooked. Cleaning is also a breeze. The non-stick basket and tray are dishwasher safe, which makes post-cooking cleanup simple and hassle-free. Plus, the air fryer's compact size makes it easy to store when not in use. As for the price, the COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1 typically retails around $119.99, although prices may vary during sales or promotions. Many users find this price reasonable, given its versatility and performance. In conclusion, the COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1 is a great investment for anyone who loves to cook. With its multiple functions, large capacity, and easy cleanup, it's a must-have for a modern kitchen. Enjoy healthier meals without sacrificing flavor with this amazing appliance. Don't miss out! Order yours today from the link provided in the description. Our third pick is the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer 6-in-1. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer 6-in-1 is a fantastic appliance that makes cooking delicious meals quick and easy. This air fryer is perfect for anyone who loves crispy food without the extra oil. With its sleek design and user-friendly interface, It fits beautifully in any kitchen. One of the best things about the Instant Vortex Plus is its versatility. It can air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and reheat, making it a true 6-in-1 kitchen helper. Whether you want to make crispy fries, juicy chicken wings, or even dried fruit, this air fryer can do it all. The smart cooking features ensure your food is cooked evenly and perfectly every time. With a spacious 6-quart capacity, it's big enough to prepare meals for a family. You can easily cook a whole chicken or a large batch of vegetables in one go, saving you time in the kitchen. Plus, it heats up quickly, so you won't have to wait long to enjoy your meal. Cleaning up is also a breeze. The non-stick basket and tray are dishwasher safe, making it easy to keep everything tidy. The Vortex Plus also has a built-in safety feature that turns off the appliance when the basket is removed, giving you peace of mind while cooking. As for the price, the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer typically costs around $139.99, although prices can vary based on sales or retailers. In summary, the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer 6-in-1 is an excellent addition to any kitchen. Its versatility, large capacity, and easy cleanup make it a must-have for anyone who loves to cook healthier meals without sacrificing taste. Get your Instant Vortex Plus air fryer 6-in-1 today. Click the link in the description to bring this versatile kitchen appliance into your home. Don't miss out on healthier, delicious meals made easy. Number 4. The Ninja DZ071 Foodi Air Fryer 6-in-1. The Ninja DZ071 Foodi Air Fryer 6-in-1 is a powerful kitchen appliance designed to help you prepare delicious meals with ease. This stylish air fryer is incredibly versatile, featuring 7 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and broil. With so many options, it's perfect for any meal. One standout feature is its dual-zone technology, which allows you to cook 2 different foods simultaneously, each at its own temperature and time. This is ideal for busy families, letting you make crispy fries on one side and juicy chicken on the other, all at once. With an 8-quart capacity, it's spacious enough for family meals, allowing you to cook larger portions without hassle. The air fryer heats up quickly, so you won't wait long to enjoy your food, and its smart cooking programs ensure your meals are perfectly cooked every time. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to the dishwasher-safe non-stick baskets. The Ninja DZ071 also includes safety features like an auto shutoff to keep your cooking safe. Typically, it retails for around $199.99, making it a great investment for any kitchen. Ready to upgrade your cooking game? Get the Ninja DZ071 Foodi Air Fryer 6-in-1 now. Click the link in the description to enjoy dual-zone cooking. Finally, the number 5 pick. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is an impressive appliance that combines several kitchen tools into one compact unit. If you enjoy cooking, this oven can make your life easier and more enjoyable. Its sleek design and user-friendly interface make it a great addition to any countertop. One of its standout features is the air frying capability, which uses powerful convection technology to circulate hot air around your food. This ensures a crispy texture while using much less oil. Whether you're preparing French fries, chicken wings, or even baking cookies, the smart oven delivers delicious results every time. This versatile oven also includes multiple cooking functions, such as baking, roasting, broiling, and toasting. It even has a dedicated pizza function, ensuring your favorite pie is perfectly cooked. With a spacious interior, it can hold up to 6 slices of toast or a 12-inch pizza, making it ideal for families or gatherings. Cleaning is straightforward, thanks to the non-stick interior and removable crumb tray. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer typically retails for around $349.95, reflecting its quality and range of options. If you're looking for an efficient and stylish kitchen appliance, this oven is definitely worth considering. Enhance your cooking with the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. Click the link in the description to experience the convenience of multiple cooking functions in one sleek, powerful appliance. But there you have it, the top 5 best air fryers of 2024. Wow, what a lineup! Do you agree with my top 5 list? Do you have any comments, questions, or concerns? Are there any other air fryers you think should have been mentioned? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you really loved it, consider leaving a super thanks. It's like leaving a little tip, and it helps out the channel a lot. You deserve the very best, so be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications if you haven't already. Trust me, out of your top 5 best decisions, this is definitely going to be one of them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next top 5 video.